If you're familiar with my channel, you know I do the occasional unboxing of new tech, and for some reason there's people out there that really like watching that stuff. I really hate making those videos because, quite frankly, I suck at it, but I'm one of those weirdos who likes to watch them, so there must be some appeal to it. But to me, an unboxing is just a waste of time. You want to see what's in the box and how it works, and unboxing is just a big tease. However, this is one unboxing I really was looking forward to. I waited for it most of the day on October 29th, and it was finally delivered to my front porch. And I'm not exaggerating here. When I picked it up, I was infused with hope. I could feel strength and power emanating from this box. I could literally feel it radiating through the box and into my hands. There's a promise of life and renewed purpose in this box, and I haven't opened it yet. It is November the 2nd. Now, everything I just said, that's an awful lot to lay on a single box, especially when the box also contains threats of severe nausea and mouth sores, diarrhea, redness and peeling to the palms of my hands and the soles of my feet, to name one of dozens of nice possibilities. Kind of a mixed bag of blessings versus curses. This box, of course, contains my oral chemo drug. It's called Xeloda. This is actually the generic, as my insurance company refused to give me the brand name. Considering it costs thousands of dollars on their part, I can understand their hesitance at least a little bit. So I'll take 4 of these each morning, Monday through Friday, and 4 in the evening. And that'll be a total of 28 days worth. Let's open this up. Now, nobody says I have to have a single one of those side effects, and I'm really praying that I do not, because I would like to be able to work when possible. But the above ones were the ones that my oncologist mentioned several times and made very pointed predictions about. Let's just take a look in here. Okay. Shoo. I don't know how big they are. I've been kind of wondering how big they are since I've been taking a ton of them. They're not big. They're about the size of maybe multivitamins. So that's not too bad. It's a cytotoxic agent. I'll let you understand what that means. But so glad I get to open that up because I start taking them in the morning, November the 3rd, and I have my first radiation episode tomorrow. So I'm a little nervous, and I'm a little excited. Like I said, let's get this party started. But speaking about unboxings, I ordered a new drone right before we went to the beach 2 times ago. I think it was late August or early September, before I knew I was sick. Although I wasn't feeling real good, I had no idea what was coming down the road. And I was so excited about it that when it was delivered to actually my in-laws' house, we still had 4 days at the beach, and I just wanted to go back home. This is my dream drone. We got home and I didn't even consider doing an unboxing video. There's no way. I had to get my hands on this thing. I have used it since then on several real estate jobs, and it is everything that people said it was in the dozens and dozens of reviews and unboxings that I had watched. So how about a non-unboxing unboxing? Let's do it.